droppings. Wonder if my camera can go that far up. See all the bat droppings on the side of the eave there? Wow. It's a lot. So we're gonna have to put like a curtain up there. These are open rake area, so I see some windows broken, some glass broken. The only way to confirm that is to put a ladder up there to see if that's guano. Let's see. That's a lot. That's bats. Let's see what's on this side. Nothing much on this side. He said there's no access into the attic. That looks like an attic you can go into. Oh boy. Alright. I'll just write up a quote for him after I do a full review here. Full survey, and then give him a quote. Can't do it until next month. Anyways.